How great it is to be centered in this moment. When I am in my quiet space, I think about what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to think, enjoy, and to breathe in the goodness and grace that's in the air. I rejoice in the splendor of it all. Today is an auspicious moment. I am declaring myself a warrior of enlightenment, seeking truth and empowering virtues. I am affirming a new beginning for myself, a fresh new start, a new thought consciousness, a time to leave the past alone and move forward. There is nothing I can do about the past, but I can make changes for the future, set a new course, and set sail to a new state of being. I am giving myself fully to this new adventure unfolding before me, and listen more to my intuition, my internal eyes and ears. I am feeling an increasing urge to follow my passion, do it with love, and be grateful for this moment unfolding before me. I already have the necessary tools within to make this happen and enjoy every minute of it. I am entering the new adventure with a teachable spirit, ready and open for change. The warrior of enlightenment makes every opportunity to teach himself. He uses the occasion to correct his own faults, for other people make an excellent mirror. The time is now. The passion, inspiration, and the determination are in place within. I let go of the old ways to make room for the new. I trust the flow of life enough to let it guide me. And above all else, I'll guard my heart, for everything flows from it. I forgive those who have wronged me, as well as forgiving myself for allowing others to steal my inner peace. I need to remind myself that forgiveness is not about forgetting. Forgiveness is about remembering without anger. Changes bring about fear, fear of the unknown. But fearlessly, I move forward. Divine Spirit moves in me. I let Spirit express itself in me, through me, and as me. My ongoing challenge is to trust Divine Spirit continually. I am taking my dreams forward to a new direction, along with fearlessness, inner strength, and courage. I am grateful and honored that this challenge is unfolding before me. A warrior of enlightenment knows that he has much to be grateful for. I release my declaration into the universe that knows only to give. Serving God is the greatest adventure in the world, and I accept the challenge. And so it is. Amen.